Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to stick text to a moving object for free in Davinci Resolve 18. Let's say this is my clip and let's play it. Here you can see the boat moves and I want the text to move with the boat. Okay, what you have to do is go over to Fusion, then on Media In, just click Media In, then Shift plus Spacebar until you see this in the search bar. Type in tracker and then just add it until it looks like this. Then just drag this red little thing all the way to the left, so to the beginning of the clip, all the way. And here in your frame you can see this tracker window. In the upper left corner, just click on this thing, hold it and drag it on top of your object. For me it's the boat. Just let go. And then in the upper right corner here, just click on track forward from current timeline. Then it just takes a bit of time until it tracked all the way through the whole clip. Okay, once it is finished, this should come, render completed, just hit OK. And now you can select a text here in this bar. Just go to text and drag it on top of the tracker. Then just connect them both like this, and then you can click on text and here just enter any text that you like. Let's say boat day, like this. Okay, let's change the color real quick to, let's say, red. And of course you have on your tracker, just click the tracker again and then go to operation, and here operation none, go to match move. Here you have your text. Then just go back to text 1. And here you can just choose the position of the text. Let's say I want to use it on top of the boat like this, just let go. Of course, here you can just do anything with the text. For example, a different font, like, I don't know, maybe this one. Of course, different color, but that's all up to you. Okay, now let's see if it worked. Let's play the clip. And as you can see, the boat and the text. Okay, that was a little hack on how to stick text to a moving object for free in Davinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.